Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you recently got married or have wedding footage that you want to turn into beautiful cinematic story, then you will love to this video. I'm going to show you where you can find professional wedding video editors who will make your special day look like a movie. It's super affordable. We know wedding videos are once a lifetime memories, but raw footage often looks dull, shaky, or just nothing special enough. That's where a professional video editor can make all difference. They can add a smooth transition, color correction, background music, romantic effects, and even storytelling cards that make your wedding look magical. In this video, I'll show you. He is very professional. His name is Nuruj Tahir. He is a video editor and pro freelancer on Fiverr. He have 4.7 rating, 96 review he have already, and 10 orders in queue. I hope you already see this his video editing option. He is a very professional edit for his client. He already make. So you want to make your wedding video editing very low and professional, so I hope you can take service. He have so much portfolio on his create for his client. You already take and make your wedding video editing elegant, very professionally. So I hope you know wedding videos are lifetime memories. So he have three package price: basic, standard, and premium. His basic price only $100 and 2-minute highlights. He will make video within 6 days delivery, and his standard package is $200. His premium package $350. So I hope you understand. He is a very professional wedding video editor. He have 96 review. We will check his review placing his client. He have so much review on his client. This one he have so much review here, so you can all reviews are 5-star. All reviews are 5-star. This one is 407 and this one is 500. So I hope you understand. He already make so much project, and this one is we already showing, and another one he create for his client, and third one he make his client. So much project he have. So I hope you understand how he will help you to build your wedding video, so you can hire anyone for build your videos. So you can take service from him. He will help you to build your wedding video and make memorable and story. So I hope you understand. I will add this link on my description below, and you can contact with him before placing order. You will discuss about your project, how many footage you have, and how minute you need to, and everything you will discuss about him, and he will share how can he help you. I will add this link on my description below. Before placing order, you will discuss everything, then you will run your project. I hope you understand. He is a very professional, top rated freelancer. 96 review he have, and also 10 order already running. So I hope you understand. He will help you to edit your wedding video and make your memories very cinematic and awesome video he will provide. And I hope this video will help you. Please like, share, and subscribe our video. I will share valuable content every day. Thank you so much.